Hello, good morning students. In my today class 9 video mathematics we have solved here exercise 1.6 of NCERT. But before we have to study here law of exponents. Before going to solve this exercise we have to recall in our mind what are the laws of exponent. The very first law is if two number has same basis. Suppose two number has same basis and if they are in multiply and having the different exponent, then for solving it we are adding their exponent. For example, suppose 2 to the power 5 multiplied with 2 to the power 7. Now both here we are looking at the both number having the same base, so we have to write here 2, both number having same base and they are in multiply. So now we have to add their exponent. 5 plus 7, that is 2 to the power 12. The next law of exponent is if two number having different base but if their exponent are same and they are in multiplication. If two number having different base and they are in multiplication but their exponent is same, then we are multiplying the both of the numbers and write the exponent here. For example, if 2 to the power 7 multiplied with 3 to the power 7, then for that here two numbers, there are two different numbers having different bases and they are in multiply but their exponent are here same. So we have to multiply the number and write the exponent here. That is 6 to the power 7. Okay. Now next rule. If two numbers are in divide and having same basis. If two numbers are in divide and having same basis, then we subtract their exponent if m is greater than n. For example, 5 to the power 8 is divided by 5 to the power 7 or 5, let here 5. Then our result is 5 to the power 8 minus 5, that is 5 to cube of 5. Okay. Now the next law. Law number 4 tells us if any number has power 0, that means its value equals to 1. For example, if 5 to the power 0, that means its value is equal to 1. If 713 power to 0, that it means its value is equal to 1. And if 2 by 3 is a fraction and power is 0, that means its value is equal to 1. Now law number 5. If a number has a negative exponent, then for removing this negative sign, we write the reciprocal of the number and give that exponent here. For example, if 5 having power minus 3, then we will write 1 by 5 cube. Suppose it is written here 7 by 5 and 7 power minus 2. Then what is the answer here? 1 by 5 into a square of 7. Like this we get to solve it. Now the next question here. The next rule is if suppose there is a power on whole of the fraction, that means its power belongs to its numerator also and denominator also. For example, if 3 by 7 to the power 5, that means 5 is the power of both 3 and 7. And the last law is here. If any number has power and then its power, suppose a to the power n and whole to the power n and then again whole to the power p, that for solving this type of exponent problems, we multiplying all the exponents of the same base. For example, if 2 to the power 2 cube whole to the power 4 and again whole to the power 2, then for solving it we multiply all the powers here. 3 into 4 into 2, that is 2 to the power 24. These are the 7 law of exponents that we have to know. Now we will solve exercise 1.6 here. So keep it in mind whenever you are solving this exercise, keep the all exponents law in your mind. Now look, in exercise 1.6, the first question is find 64 to the power 1 by 2. Now we have to convert the 64 as 8 square of 8. Now as you know, we can write 64 in also this order, square of 8. Now here it is power of 8 is 2 and then its power is 1 by 2. So we multiply, for solving it we multiply the exponents here. Now 2 cancel, what remains here? 8. So the answer is here 8. Look one more question of third number question of first. 125 to the power 1 by 3. Now we can write also 125 as cube of 5. We can express 125 as cube of 5 and here power 1 by 3. So now as we know, the powers are multiplied of the same base. Multiply the powers. 5 to the power 1, that is equal to 5. Similarly, look at question number second. Second number question, 32 to the power 2 by 5. Now we can express 32 as 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. What is the value here? 2 to the 4, 2 to 8, 2 to 16, 2 to 32. So we can express 32 as 2 to the power 5. Now what is the power of 32? 2 by 5. So here we have to also write 2 by 5. Now multiplying the exponents here of the same base, 5 into 2 by 5. Now 5 cancel here. What remains? The square of 2. The square of 2 is 4. Similarly, look at question number 4 of question number 2. 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. We can express 125 as cube of 5. Similarly as here. And what is the power of 125? Minus 1 by 3. Now for solving it, we multiply the both of the exponent of the same base. Now what remains here? Minus 1. Now for removing this negative sign of the exponent, we write its reciprocal 1 by 5. That's our answer. In the same way, you can solve the rest questions of question number 2. Now in question number 3, we have to simplify. So how we will simplify? Look here. In question number 3, simplify. The very first question is here. 2 to the power 2 by 3 multiplied with 2 to the power 1 by 5. As I have told you in this video and earlier, that if two number having the same base, and their exponent are different and they are in multiplication, if they are in multiplication, here the point size indicates multiplication. So what we have to solve? How we will solve it? By adding their exponents. So for solving this question, we will add their exponent 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now here the base is 2. Taking the LCM of 3 and 5, the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Now 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15, 1 3s are 3. So your answer will be 2 whole 13 by 15. Okay. Again I am repeating here. Here the two number having the same base but different exponents and they are in multiplication. So if two numbers having the same base and they are in multiplication, then for solving them we add their exponents. In the same way you have to solve this question. Now look at question number 4th here. Sorry, first you have to look at third number question. 11 to the power 1 by 2 and 11 to the power 1 by 4. Now it indicates that 11 to the 1 by 2 divided by 11 whole 1 by 4. 11 to the power 1 by 4. Now if two numbers having the same base and they are in a divide, solving them we subtract their exponents. So here 11 and 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. We are subtracting their exponents. Now take the LCM of 2 and 4. The LCM will be 4. 2 to the 4. 4 1 the 4. So 11 to the power 1 by 4. So this way you can solve it. Look on more example here. Question number 4 of third. 7 whole 1 by 2 multiplying with 8 whole 1 by 2. Now here are two different numbers. Here are two different numbers but they are multiplied. The base are different but their exponent are same and they are in multiplication. Two things we have to make here common. Both having the same exponent and they are in multiply. So we multiply their bases and write the same exponent here. Now 7 8 is 56. And what is the exponent here? 1 by 2. So our answer will be 56 to the power 1 by 2. In this way you can solve this exercise. And by this way we have completed our number system chapter. In my next video we will discuss about polynomials. Thank you for watching.